Hello everyone, my name is Benika Mason and I'm going to be sharing with you a website called S'more. S'more is an online tool used for creating flyers and newsletters. This is a great tool for business purposes, personal use, and teacher use as well. S'more provides users with editable templates to use for events, making news bulletins, making for sale flyers, and other flyers that may meet your needs. You can create a free account, or you can choose to upgrade for $79 a year. Now, when using the free account, you're limited to only making 3 flyers per month. After picking a flyer to personalize, you are able to save and share it via email or social networks. There's also a section designed for teachers called the Educator Hive. Sign up. You can sign up using your Google account. Alright, and this is the home page. You will start by first clicking Start a New Flyer. Here you can choose from Start from a blank flyer, Events, Business, Making for Sale Signs, News Bulletin, Class, Other. If you choose Other, you can just type in the name of your flyer. I'm going to choose Event to demonstrate with. You can either skip your title right now, or you can just go ahead and put it in. I'm going to click skip this step. And from here, this is your template, and you just click and edit. So I want to put the name of my flyer. You can add a subtitle. And then you click Done. And there's my title. And for each section, you would do that. You would click on it and type in what you need. Make sure that you click Done after you're finished typing it, or cancel if you don't need it. Do not leave anything open, because when you're done editing, it's not going to let you publish it until everything is closed out. Alright, you can add an address or directions to get to the party. You just click on anything that you want to add. You click adding pictures. You can pull up pictures from your files, or you can just drag one in. And at the bottom, if you need more stuff to add to your flyer, like text, if you need to add more wordings, then another text box will pop up for you to add some more. The same with if you want to add a gallery. Now you can add more pictures. You can add videos, links, forms. Now this one is a new feature for Pro. You will have to pay the $79 a year in order to be able to add a file to your flyer. Alright, once you're done, actually you can change the design, how your design is. They're different ones. Change the background like that the same way. Colors. We got some hearts. And you can change the font. Once you're done, it automatically saves. You see it says save just now. So it's almost like a Google document where it continuously saves your progress. You click Done Editing. And now you are ready to share it. You can share it via email, or you could share it Facebook, Pinterest, Google, or you can get the link where that you can post it wherever you need to post it. Done. Now I'm going to take you to the Educator Hive. The Educator Hive is very good for educators. It's a place for educators to create, collaborate, and share publications with other educators. Here there's a collection of edible flyers, presentations, newsletters, assignments, announcements, events, and resources. All these things are great for using when you're in education field. You can see them in order from newest, most popular, search. And all of these are posted and created by other educators. I'm going to click on presentations. These are the different presentations you could use. Creating a s'more, why not? Alright, once you select the one that you want, you will see who made it, where it came from, how many likes it has, how many shares, and how many views. You can click like to like the template, and then you're going to click use as a template. You can choose to edit it now, or you can choose to edit it later. If you choose to edit it later, you will find it in your flyer section, and I'm going to show you that after this. I'm going to go ahead and edit now. And it's the same way as when we were in Start a New Flyer. You click each section to add your own wordings, and make sure you click Done or Cancel. Adding pictures is all the same way. You can add videos. And at the bottom it has all of the same links where you can add. You also will still be able to change the background, colors, and fonts, as well as the design, the overall design. And this is a draft. And then it saves. Make sure it says just save just now before you click done editing. Alright, I'm done editing it. And it's going to work the same way. You'll share it through your email, or you can get the link or share it on social media. Now, I've created 2 flyers. I'm going to go to your flyers. Sorry, I ran out of free tries, so I had to use my another account, Google account. Okay. You can edit your profile here. This is where all of your flyers will be found, in this section. This is your profile where you can edit all your information. If you were a paying customer, you would check your billing and account there. And now you see the 2 flyers I've just created. You can sort them by category, event, and this one doesn't have a category. Date, title. Once you start accumulating a lot of flyers, you might want to just type in and search for the one you want. You can also create a folder. Say you might have more than one class, or you want to have different event folders. You can do it that way. We'll say the school year of 2018, 2017, 2018 school year, and you will click create folder. This is also the number of flyers you have. My folder is empty. So we want to add flyers to our new folder. All your flyers will pop up that you've created. Say we'll just add just one. Click add flyers to folder. Now when you choose the folder, only those flyers will pop up. And under settings, you'll be able to delete the folder if you need to, or rename it. So this is a very good tool to use, especially as an educator, keeping up with all the flyers. I know I make lots of flyers and newsletters for my school, so this was actually something that I would actually benefit from. I think I'm going to start using. S'more is a very resourceful tool for anyone needing to create a flyer, not just teachers. S'mores helps to eliminate the struggle to create an eye-catching design by using templates that are created by others. And all you would need to do is just edit it to make it your own. It's also for the entire school or district. So when you register your school or your district, you'll receive it at a discounted price. S'more is also compatible with many types of devices. So make your flyer beautiful and neat with S'more.